In the awe-inspiring landscape of Bali's Uluwatu Surf Villas complex, Ironwood House is a private residence and holiday rental nestled above a majestic cliff top, overlooking the boundless Indian Ocean. The owners requested a spacious tropical villa, incorporating reclaimed Indonesian wood structures with a modern treatment manifested in a minimal and linear form. In line with their ethos, Earthline's architect's approach was to create a contextually inspired tropical villa with hints of vernacular architecture that responds to its topography and environment. Perched on a 2,300 square meters cliff-front plot in Uluwatu, with an unobstructed view of one of the most famous surf breaks in the world, the spiritually significant environment surrounding Ironwood House exudes effortless beauty. It's a light and floating two-story structure anchored into the natural land gradient. The residence's location along the Ring of Fire also informed the architect's structural choices. Sitting in a seismically active area north of the Java Trench, Ironwood House's design is inspired by traditional Indonesian architecture built in wood to sustain earthquakes. To accommodate these seismic concerns, Earthline's architects constructed a flexible structure with twin column sets tied together with steel plate connections and beams. At the heart of the house are 52 remarkable reclaimed ironwood columns, which comprise the core structure and therefore became one of its primary materials. Imagined as a journey while considerate to the user experience, Earthline's architects designed a layout rooted in function yet sympathetic to the column grid. To invite moments of discovery, the concepts of this house playfully integrate nature and can be found everywhere. Notably, a pandanus tree in the courtyard draws natural light into the GF pool lounge and contributes to good natural cross-ventilation. To source and implement these Ulan columns, the contractors harness the expertise of talented local wood specialists who deeply understand the exceptional durability and character of Kalimantan's ironwood. The memorable columns not only bind the house together but whisper heritage into the residence. They are marked by scars and imperfections of a past life underwater, likely as pieces of a bridge, prevailing against creatures attempting to consume them. At the entrance, there's a reflection pond with riverstone steps, meeting a reclaimed railway sleeper footbridge. The water flowing into the house is also a request from the owner to attract prosperity. When guests first glimpse the facade, Ironwood House almost disappears into the greenery, giving off the impression of a subtle and understated single-story residence. By contrast, as you make your way through the graceful, low, eastward-facing entrance, the gentle pitched roof expands towards a westward-facing sunset view for a dramatic reveal of a limitless ocean, evoking a profound sense of arrival. The entrance's low roofline requires guests to step down, an echo of a common feature among entrances in Indonesian vernacular architecture. In this traditional style, a step at the doorway prompts individuals entering a building or sacred space to bow, creating a special cultural initiation for those who pass through. A concealed water catchment gutter runs along the lowest eave as a sustainable contribution. Rainwater is collected, stored, treated, and then used throughout the house, addressing the Bukit Peninsula's escalating water shortage challenges. Known locally as kayu ulen, ironwood is native to Borneo. Reclaimed teak, a warm and compliant wood originating from Java, naturally became another principal material to both complement and contrast with the dark tones of the primary structure. These wood artisans are a living legacy unique for their knowledge and history of a craft that is becoming exceedingly rare in other indigenous parts of the world. Contributing to the illusion that the house is anchored, the columns anchor a secondary structure of steel beams and Ulen wood joists to support the Ulen shingle roof with large, cantilevered overhangs. Erosion considerations dictated a large setback from the limestone cliff edge. Louver screens were introduced to offer privacy and protection for the bedrooms overlooking a 25 meters saltwater, infinity edge lap pool. Balancing nature with modern luxuries, the residence celebrates a spectacular sunset horizon, lush garden sanctuaries, and water elements to generate a sense of calm expansiveness amid seclusion. Engaging the senses, the property fosters a feeling of stillness and solace. As a collective effort to enrich our environment, the outcome is a raw yet soulful and inviting family home, organically embedded into its surroundings at the tip of Land's End, Uluwatu.